Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account for business. So let's get into it. First of all, open your Gmail app. Click Add an email address. Select Google. Click on Create Account. Select To manage my business. Enter your personal information. Click Next. Click Next. Pick a Gmail address or create your own. Click Next. Enter your password. Then click Next. Review your account info and click Next. On the next page, you will be presented with Google's privacy policy and terms. You can customize opt-in services by selecting more options. Once you have chosen your preferred settings, select I agree to proceed. Click Accept. This will then take you to your new Gmail inbox, which you can customize and adjust according to your preferences. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.